today we'll be replacing this broken flimsy faucet with a Franke Absinthe faucet. We'll also be doing a box opening of the Franke faucet and installation. So let's get started. Alright, we just received the Franke faucet. So now it's time for the unboxing. This model is the Absinthe. Hopefully I'm saying that correctly. It's matte black. The model number is FFP5220 and it's about 16 inches high. So let's do the unboxing. I'm pretty excited. Haven't seen what's inside. Alright. So it comes in a pretty good package. Nice foam. And there it is. So it comes with the installation manual. You just pull this out here. Pretty excited. Alright. So we have the faucet right here. And looks like the required attachments. Looks pretty straightforward to install. And this is what you currently get. Our first step is to dismantle our current faucet that we have in. So we're going to have to shut off the water valves. So that's the hot water, or sorry, cold water, and this is the hot water. So we shut off the water valves and just make sure that there's no water coming. Okay, so the water's turned off. In this step, we're going to be taking the hot and cold water valves off. I do have an adjustable wrench and it's pretty straightforward. Just turn and unplug. Make sure you have some paper towels in the bottom to pick up the excess water. That came out pretty easy. Alright, we have a little tight space over here, but we need to pull out the hose. So with this Moen, there's these two tabs that you need to push in. You push that in. And this should pop out. And it pulls down. Alright, we're underneath the faucet. We have to unloosen this to remove the whole entire unit that holds the faucet into place. So we just took off the bracket that holds the faucet into place. We also took out the weight and the two extension hoses, hot and cold. Now we can free out the faucet. Now it's time to install the Franke faucet. Right here I've laid out all the parts in order how they're inserted in. So our first step is to install this sealant, and it goes into the bottom. Like so. Alright, and we can start inserting all the hoses inside. So from the bottom of the faucet, we're attaching those seals in the order based on the manual. And I'm just going to hand tighten it for now, and then I'll just adjust it from the top, and then tighten it again once it's locked into position. So we just made sure that on the top it was centered, and we're just going to hand tighten it a little bit more again. There's a little better angle, how it looks. Now we have the faucet locked into place. It's time to attach the hoses. The hot and cold. So right is cold. And again, we're going to hand tighten it to start it off. And then we're going to lock it into place with our adjustable wrench. So now we'll be installing the weight. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver for this. Needed. And then up here, we're going to need to pull this tab back. We're going to pop this in. It should easily slide in, and hear that click, and then push this down. So now that we have the weight installed, we're going to start with turning on the cold water. We're going to turn it on all the way. Check for any water leaks or pressure. Kind of give it a little nudge just to make sure. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and turn the hot water on as well. Alright, we're going to start it for the first time. Here's our hot water. Here's our cold water. Awesome. Here you go. That's the Matte Black Franke Absinthe. We decided to go with black, as we'll be soon replacing our appliances to black appliances to match the rest of the kitchen. So thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you like it, what you saw. Hit the like. If you have any comments, put in any comments. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.
When your faucets come alive.
Can you hold the faucet?
It's alive.